Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your Google Drive storage if you're running out of space for your files. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, let's see how much storage you currently have. Open your Google Drive by going to drive.google.com and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll see a bar indicating your storage usage. You can also click on storage to get a detailed view of what's taking up space. Before we consider upgrading, let's clean up some space. Go through your files and delete anything you no longer need. You can right click on any file and select remove to delete it. Don't forget to empty your trash afterwards by clicking on trash on the left sidebar, then selecting empty trash at the top right. This can free up some space without needing to upgrade. If you still need space, it's time to upgrade. Click on the upgrade storage option in the storage overview or go directly to google.com/install/en/drive/pricing. Here you'll see various plans offered by Google One. Just choose the plans that suit your needs. Once you select a plan, click on Get Started. You'll need to sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. Review the plan details and then click on Continue. Follow the prompt to add your payment information. Remember, you can cancel or downgrade your plan anytime. And that's it. Once you complete the payment process, your Google Drive storage will be increased immediately. You can check your new storage limit in the same place we looked earlier. So there you have it. You know now how to increase your Google Drive storage, whether by cleaning up or upgrading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.